Hello, I am with Seed System Solution, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of using the new pricing year button within the product list and carrying old pricing into a new reporting year. So first, I navigated to the product list using the main menu and selecting Product List. Then I filtered for my product using the Filter button and setting my item name and then applying. From here, it's going to be on our current default year for pricing, and I want to set this pricing into our new reporting year that's coming up. So again, I'm going to go back to my current year, so I have pricing displayed. Now I can do this in small batches, and so I'm doing one product at a time, or I could filter for a whole class of products. I could search for all products and carry all pricing through. So again, whichever pricing that you have displaying on the screen at the time is the pricing that's going to be carried forward. So from here, I'm going to open the hamburger menu and I'm going to select New Pricing Year. It's going to give me a warning that this might take a while depending on how many products I have selected. And then it's going to ask me to enter the new year to be created. So in our case, I'm going to say 2026 and press OK. Now this is going to process for a moment, depends how many products you have as to how long it'll take. And if I toggle over to 2026, we can see that our pricing has carried through, used to be blank, but now our pricing is here. If we do need to make individual changes now on any of the products, we can click into our first 10 products here, or we can open the product by selecting the product ID number and making any edits here. And again, these edits will only carry through for the year that you have selected, and it will only carry through based on new products that are entered. It will not go and change or update any existing bookings for that year that you have selected. So again, any price changes is strictly for any new booking lines that are created from the date that you make these changes. If you have any questions about Seed System Solution, you can reference our other training videos. You can email us at grow@seedsystem.co, or you can register for one of our free monthly Seed System Support Zoom meetings.